어디. 너.
야, 누구 봐요?
Yes. Bye bye. Sao bye bye, chú đi hơi lỡ lỡ. Chú bắt tên là. One, two, three.
What is this the promotion for?
They have all the animals.
Oh my god. Okay. Someone can here.
Stop down.
Oh iya, tak. Oh ya, tak cik ya.
Starting today, you will play like winners, act like winners, and most importantly, you will be winners. If you listen and learn, you will win basketball games. And gentlemen, winning in here is the key to winning out there. This contract states that you will maintain a 2.3 grade point average. You will attend all your classes, and you will sit in the front row of those classes.
Yo, this a country-ass nigga, dog.
Excuse me, did you say something, sir?
Worm was wondering, are you some country church nigga with your tie on and all that?
Right.
That's what you trying to say, right?
And what is your name, sir?
I'm Timo Cruz, sir.
Well, Mr. Cruz and Mr. Worm, what you should both know is we treat ourselves with respect. We don't use the word nigger.
Are you some preacher man or some shit? Cause God ain't gonna do you no good in this neighborhood.
Well, I live in this neighborhood, sir.
Sir, can you believe this uppity Negro? Sir.
Okay, Mr. Cruz. Leave the gym right now.
For what?
I'll ask you one last time to leave the gym before I help you leave.
Before you what? Do you even know who I am?
From what I can see, a very confused and scared young man.
Scared of who? Scared of you? I'm supposed to be scared of you? Nigga, I ain't scared of nobody. I would lay your ass out.
I don't think so.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up. Free like a bird, but also bound up, and my footsteps on the ground. I raise my head, listen to the sound, I'm happy with what I have found. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. Just breathe, just No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me. Open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. Just breathe, just breathe.